Hey, this is Tony Dancona from AdvanSite, ADVANSITE. I'm reviewing today the Black Fox 1 2x72 grinder. Actually wanted to use it for a while before I went and published this setup video. I want to make sure that it works, right? So, and I've been using it now probably for about 6 months, and I really love it. So let's go through the setup process, and then I'll post another video of doing some cool things and using it. All right, let's see what we got. Fun. All right, so pop that on my bench, and obviously this side is gonna get plugged in. This side is gonna go to the motor. All right, let's see what's in this package here. Package O stuff. Beautiful platen. A nice wheel. It's going to go here. Beautiful wheel. Another beauty. So obviously this one goes on the motor. This one's going to go up here. All right, next step was getting the motor up. Standing it next to this, I'm going to start swizzling it into that space. So get it on that 2x4. I'm going to lift this part on top of here and position these bolts. Looks like about there. All right, here we got the 4 Allen head. Let's see, this is a 7/32. So I did align this up. I'm just gonna finger and I would say just watch out for the key lock here. Don't lose that. So I do have this here, so it should be easy to connect this in when we venture into that box. For this drive wheel that goes on here, I found that a number 3 wrench fits pretty good. So there we go. All right, so we need a gap here of 0.375. This is this 10mm is 0.38, so I'm going to consider that pretty darn close.
looks good. Let's tighten this baby up. There we go. Put that bolt in there. It's going to screw right into that track adjuster. Alright, so I'm going to use the shorter of the two tracks. There's a longer one. Use these two bolts. Bolt this in. And bing, this should be ready to go on the grinder. Slide it, goes into the top. Should be close to being able to put a belt on. All right, let's get a belt on. See All right, next step, connecting the power. Bam, bam. All right, quick electrical lesson here. So this is basically saying inside the motor, T4, 5, 6 need to all be connected together. And then T1 and T7 connects to the black line from the VFD. T8 and T2 connect to white, and T9, T3 connect to pink. Pink. I think that might be red or pink. We know which one it is. So let's go do that in the motor. Slide those in kind of individually. Put that in there a little bit. Yep, not going anywhere. First step, take that green ground screw out and use the green wire and connect that, screw that in. All right, remember the picture. So you got, this is black, so T1, T7 going to black. This is those three together, T4, T5, T6 together. This is the white lead, so T2, T8, and the pink, T9, T2. All right, so we're gonna jam these all back in there neatly, put the cover on, and we're ready to energize. All right, let's give it a go. Put on a nice belt. We're going to forward, power on. Nice. That's all real nice. And the drive real nice. Solid here. There's a little bit of a gap here. I like to have that flush. So we'll fix that.